Good morning. In this presentation, we are going to see how we can trade in Mcx crude oil today and for this week. Before looking into that, let us see what happened last week and what we expected last week. The chart which you are seeing is an 1 hour chart. Whenever I place the cursor on any candlestick, you can see the date and time below. So this red color candlestick that indicates that Monday's price opening, last week Monday's price opening, which shows that the market opened somewhere between 5020 and 5000. As we all know, crude was completely in downtrend, and in the last week, that the previous week, we were targeting this 5000 and 5020, and we had identified this is going to be the great psychological mark for crude oil. So what happened last week was that the price opened within this 5020 and immediately the price came down, and this started acting as a resistance. You can see the market provided a resistance on Monday, and that pushed the price down till 4945. So the price was completely within the consolidation zone of 4960 and 5000 zone, and this 5000 and 5020 was acting as a great resistance for crude market. On 6th also, the price tried to test this 5000, and again there was a failure that pushed the price down till 4925. This was the low that was created last week. Again there was a pullback and that tested this 5000 again. So you can see how many times the market is testing this resistance zone, key resistance zone of 5000. So it couldn't succeed that. So Friday also the market tried its best to break this 5000. But again it was a failure, so the price came down and closed around 4960. Saturday we saw and we witnessed some higher opening. So what we had identified in this price action was that this 5000 and 5020 was acting as a great resistance in crude market. So and also the second most important thing is the convergence of the average within the zone of 5000 and 5020. We are witnessing that the average is also converging into this zone, which is making this zone as one of the major trend deciding zone. So if we find any closing above 5020, then we have got a good chance that the market can move up or reverse its trend a bit. All depends upon how the price is going to react within this 5000 and 5020 zone. So this is going to be the very great zone for crude traders. So if the price goes above 5020, we can expect the market to show some reversal in trend. Till then, the price is likely to stay in downtrend. Make it very clear that only if the price stays above 5000, 5020 very clearly, and it should be a breakout. You know what is a breakout? A single candlestick, it will come and break clears of everything. Like this type of a very long candlestick, you can see that that will clear all the resistance. So if we need a breakout, we need a clear support like this. How this 5000 was maintained as a resistance, you can see so many times the price comes here and hit that and made that as a resistance. In the same way, the market will form 5000 as a support, 5000 or within this 5020. Why we had marked two lines is that always support and resistance is not a single line, it is a zone. That is the purpose we had drawn true line, in order to make you identify this as a zone and not as a single line. So within this zone, the market should form a supporting pattern like this. At least the last on the previous week, that was on 27th, 28th, you can see how many times the market formed this as a support. Again you will see a pattern like this. If there is any trend reversal, if there is any possible trend reversal, you will see a pattern like this. The market comes here, hit that, and so many times you will see the same type of pattern here. If you witness the same type of pattern what happened on the previous week, then you can say that the price can reverse its trend. So be careful and put all your effort into this zone. But if there is a failure, if the price fails to break this zone, again the market will test 4920. So let us see what's going to happen during the trading session, and thanks a lot for watching our videos. Happy trading, take care, bye.